Welcome student to the online teaching learning process. Class 10 Science Chemistry Chapter 1 Chemical Equation and Chemical Reactions. The topic is type of reactions. In this video we will discuss about displacement reaction and double displacement reactions. Displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its salt solution is known as displacement reactions. Both metal and non-metal can take part in displacement reactions. Its journal formula is A plus BC gives B plus AC. It means A is more reactive than B, so A displaces the B and form AC as a product. Let us discuss few examples of displacement reaction. Number 1. Iron nail when react with copper sulfate solution. When iron nail react with copper sulfate solution, iron nail displaces copper and form iron sulfate and copper. Second example is reaction between copper and silver nitrate solution, which is a colorless solution. When copper react with silver nitrate, copper displaces silver being more reactive and form copper nitrate and silver as a product. For more understanding of the concept of displacement reaction, let us perform one activity to showing that iron react with copper sulfate. Let us start the reaction between copper sulfate and iron filings. So first of all, we have taken a test tube. In this test tube, I'm just adding a copper sulfate. See, if you see the copper sulfate solution is blue. With the help of a spatula, I'm just taking copper sulfate and adding into the test tube. Now, to make it solution, I'm adding water in it. So, when we mix it, we will get a blue color solution in it. This is called copper sulfate solution. Now, I'm going to add iron filling in it. The iron filling is in the form of powder. Just see, with the help of a spatula, I'm just going to add iron filling in it. Iron fillings in your test tube, or we can say copper sulfate solution. Slowly you can see how the blue color changes and it just changes into greenish color. Yes, slowly it is going. See, this is the greenish color. This will happen because of the displacement reaction. Iron displaces copper from the copper sulfate and it will become iron sulfate and displaces copper. So we can say that our reaction is CuSO4 plus Fe gives you FeSO4 plus Cu. And this is called displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is a reaction in which new compounds are formed by mutual exchange of ions between two compounds, such that A and C are known as cation, whereas B and D are known as anion. Let us discuss the example. Sodium sulfide when react with hydrogen chloride, it will form sodium chloride and hydrogen sulfide. That means Na positive combined with Cl negative and H positive combined with S2 negative to form NaCl and H2S. Let us discuss another example, that is sodium sulfate when reacts with barium chloride. They will form sodium chloride and barium sulfate. It will indicate the exchange of ions sodium, barium, sulfate and chlorine, and the final product is sodium chloride and barium sulfate. Let us perform this activity for more understanding of the concept of double displacement reaction. Let us start the next reaction. It is the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. So let us start. First we will take 2 test tube and a test tube holder. In a first test tube, we are going to add sodium sulfate with the help of a spatula in the first test tube A. In the second test tube, we will add barium chloride with the help of spatula. See, the barium chloride crystals are more shiny. I'm just adding. See, this is your sodium sulfate crystals and this is your crystals of barium chloride, which is more refined and more shining. Now in this solution or in this test tube, I'm adding a distilled water to make the solutions. Now I will mix both. First, in the test tube A, sodium sulfate solution is there. I'm just mixing that. In test tube B, we have barium chloride crystal and the water. So it will be becoming a solution. Now I'm going to add test tube A and B. I'm going to mix. So in sodium sulfate, I'm adding barium chloride slowly and slowly. And we will observe that there is a formation of white precipitates when we add both. So this is known as double displacement reaction because when sodium sulfate react with barium chloride, so there is a formation of barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So this is called double displacement reaction. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you understood the topic of displacement and double displacement reactions. Have a nice day.